Today marks the joyous celebration of ChatGPT's inaugural year. As we commemorate its first anniversary, we reflect on a year of transformative conversations and remarkable advancements. ChatGPT has redefined interaction, bringing intelligence and warmth to every dialogue. Here's to a year of learning, innovation, and the endless possibilities ahead. Happy first anniversary, ChatGPT. Conversational AI emerged as a groundbreaking innovation, rooted in the development of sophisticated language models. Its inception traced back to the creation of GPT-2 in 2019. Marking a significant leap in artificial intelligence, this pioneering technology laid the foundation for natural and contextually aware conversations between machines and humans, sparking widespread curiosity and discussions about the possibilities it held. The unveiling of GPT-3 in mid-2020 marked a pivotal moment in AI history, with an unprecedented 175 billion parameters. GPT-3 revolutionized language processing capabilities. Its ability to generate remarkably coherent and contextually relevant text amazed the world, showcasing a level of linguistic prowess that had never been seen before. The sheer scale of GPT-3 opened doors to new realms of creativity and functionality. GPT-3's versatility reshaped industries across the board, from powering conversational chatbots that mimicked human-like interactions, to aiding in content creation, coding assistance, healthcare advancements, and language translations. Its applications were expansive. GPT-3 became the backbone of innovative solutions, empowering various sectors to harness the power of AI in ways previously unimaginable. Alongside its capabilities, GPT-3 brought forth profound ethical considerations. Concerns about biases, responsible use, and the potential misuse of AI-generated content surfaced prominently. These discussions sparked a collective dialogue about the ethical deployment of AI, prompting efforts to address biases, ensure accountability, and foster transparent and responsible AI practices. The evolution to GPT-3.5 represented a significant step forward in refining AI models. This iteration aimed to tackle inherent biases, enhance contextual understanding, and elevate response coherence. It marked a continued commitment by developers to address shortcomings and improve the model's accuracy, laying the groundwork for more nuanced and responsible AI applications. Following the iterations of GPT-3 and GPT-3.5, the quest for improvement and enhancement persisted. The focus on refining AI models remained a priority. Developers and researchers dedicated efforts to fine-tuning these models, aiming to address biases, improve accuracy, and enhance overall performance. Through ongoing refinements, the goal was to create more reliable and robust AI systems, capable of delivering increasingly nuanced and contextually precise responses. On March 14, 2023, the highly anticipated revelation of GPT-4 sparked immense excitement and curiosity within the AI community. OpenAI tantalized enthusiasts by revealing the development of GPT-4, guaranteeing a significant leap in capabilities. The announcement tantalized with promises of improved contextual understanding, bias reduction, heightened accuracy, and potentially groundbreaking advancements in natural language processing. The prospect of what GPT-4 might unlock ignited fervent anticipation, elevating expectations for its potential impact across diverse domains. With the advent of GPT-4, significant advancements in language understanding were expected. These advancements aimed to bridge gaps in communication, enabling AI models to grasp subtleties, nuances, and contextual cues more effectively. The focus lay on creating models capable of engaging in complex conversations, understanding diverse languages, and generating responses that demonstrate a deeper comprehension of human language and intent. As AI continued to evolve, the emphasis on ethical AI practices and transparency in decision-making processes remained crucial. Efforts were directed towards ensuring that AI models like GPT-4 were developed and deployed responsibly, with measures in place to mitigate biases, promote fairness, and uphold ethical standards. Transparency in how AI models functioned and made decisions became increasingly important to build trust and accountability in AI systems. The future prospects with the advent of GPT-4 seemed promising and expansive. Envisioned applications included heightened human-AI collaboration, improved educational tools, more sophisticated problem-solving capabilities, and advancements in fields like healthcare, research, and creativity. The potential of GPT-4 hinted at a future where AI played an even more integral role in augmenting human endeavors, pushing the boundaries of what was achievable through innovative AI applications. These ongoing developments and future prospects showcase the continued evolution and potential impact of AI models like GPT-4, emphasizing both the advancements in technology and the need for ethical and responsible AI deployment.